Hi everybody, you are welcome to this channel. I am Atanu Betal. In this video lecture, we discuss about a question, and it is why acetic acid exists in the dimer form or dimeric state in non-polar solvent and in the vapor state. So this is the question that why acetic acid exists as a dimer in the non-polar solvent even in the vapor state. Okay, so before starting the discussions about this topic, I would like to remind you that if you are new to this channel or you do not subscribe this channel, then you can subscribe it right now. And if you want to watch more videos or videos from these chapters, means chemical bonding, then you can watch videos from the playlist that I made in this channel. So we start our discussions regarding this topic, that why acetic acid molecules exist in the dimeric state, in the vapor state or in non-polar solvent. In non-polar solvent, at first acetic acid is a polar molecule. Acetic acid is a polar molecule. This is acetic acid, CH3COOH, and two molecules combine to form Yes, you know, the two molecules of acetic acids are now combining to form one molecule, and it is called dimer. It is the monomer. It is the monomer. Acetic acid exists as a dimeric form. This is the monomeric form, means single acetic acid molecule. So single acetic acid molecule joining to form the dimer. So why this dimeric form is shown, and this happens in the non-polar solvent. You know, acetic acid is a polar substance. Okay, for acetic acid, this dimeric form is seen in the non-polar solvent. In non-polar solvent, this acetic acid seen as the dimeric form, in the dimeric form, because in non-polar solvent it does not dissolve in the non-polar solvent. Okay, so in the non-polar solvent, these acetic acid molecules form the dimeric form, means this one. Okay, now another important thing, in the vapor state also it forms this dimeric form, means two acetic acid molecules combine to form one acetic acid molecule, means dimeric form. This is due to the intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Okay, so reason is why acetic acid molecules form dimer. The reason is that intermolecular hydrogen bonding. In non-polar solvent or in vapor state, acetic acid combine to form a dimer. The reason for this dimeric formation of the acetic acid is the intermolecular hydrogen bonding in acetic acid. In case of acetic acid, this hydrogen and oxygen, between this hydrogen and oxygen, this is called hydrogen bonding. This one is covalent bond, this one is hydrogen bonding. This one is hydrogen bonding. So in as in acetic acid, the oxygen atom present, which is a small size atom and having high electronegativity, so it can form the intermolecular hydrogen bonding with this hydrogen atom, and as a result of this intermolecular hydrogen bonding with the oxygen and between the hydrogen and oxygen, this acetic acid molecule have a tendency to form dimer in their vapor state or in non-polar solvent. In non-polar solvent, if we keep acetic acid, that time this dimeric form also be shown there. In that case, that the two acetic acid molecules are joined together to form a dimer by the intermolecular hydrogen bonding of the intermolecular hydrogen bonding between the oxygen and hydrogen. Oxygen atom having small size, high electronegativity, it can form hydrogen bond with the hydrogen atom in acetic acid. Between this oxygen and hydrogen, this due to the hydrogen bonding formation, that is the intermolecular hydrogen bonding formation, the acetic acid molecules exist in the dimeric form. So this is the answer of this question, why acetic acid molecule exists in the association form. This is the association of the acetic acid molecules. The one or more molecules associated together, one or more two or more molecules associated together because of the intermolecular hydrogen bonding. So this is the main reason why acetic acid is forming the dimeric state or dimeric form or dimer. The main reason is that intermolecular hydrogen bonding between the hydrogen and oxygen, and due to this intermolecular hydrogen bonding, this association of the two acetic acid molecules occurs. So this is the topic of discussions, and the answer for this question, that why acetic acid molecule exists in the dimeric form, means two molecules combine to form one molecule. I think you get a clear discussions, clear reason for why this things happens, means these two molecules are combined to form one molecule. And thank you for watching these discussions regarding this topic. So if you have any question, any suggestions regarding these discussions, then you also can write in the comment section, and you can like these discussions if you find this useful, and if you find that this channel is educating you, giving you some education or some values, then you can subscribe this channel.